freaking out a little bit, but that's okay. Yeah, it's been a really good journey so far. I've got about just over an hour left, and then I'll see Amy. I'll be in Edinburgh, where she said it's cold. So shorts and a t-shirt is probably not the correct attire for cold, but that's okay. I'll survive. See you later. So we've currently lost the boys because they have started to go down and climb that's helpful. But as you can see, there is nothing to see because the mist is so strong and it's so wide. Say hi, Amy. Bye.
Yeah, film this. You can see every point of Edinburgh. Look.
Yeah. Well, let me get the spare of what I'm supposed to be seeing.
Will you be able to get it?
See this, and I can see Amy and all of Edinburgh. Look at the white. Recording, cool. So we're coming down the mountain, and so far I've just slid down the hill, mountain, whatever they want to call it, on my butt. So now I have very dirty jeans and dirt all in my shoes.
I think I got a bee sting on my finger.
Got a bee sting in my finger. So injuries all, well, I'm not injured, I'm just really dirty now. Fun times all around for the girls. The boys seem fine. Except him, he's stuck. I've walked from where I'm staying with Amy to the bus stop because I'm about to go to a comedy show with Rhett, who I travelled around Europe with for a while before I left. I'm waiting for the bus. It's only £1.60 no matter how far you go, which I guess for short distances isn't great, but for long distances it's really good. It's still very, very misty. If you can see anything behind me, it's because it's very, very close to me. And so I've put on an extra jumper, so now I'm very confused. I'm repping two different unis, but the mist is still here, so that's fun. I'm experiencing genuine Scottish weather. Anywho, I'll go back to waiting for the bus. See you later. I just went and watched the changing of the guard, or the first half of the ceremony. That was really, really, really cool. The second half of the ceremony is the same in reverse. So